In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how to resolve the Roblox widescreen glitch. To begin, you'll need to locate your Roblox player icon, right? Click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Compatibility tab. Ensure that the option Run this program as administrator is enabled. Click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. Text, we need to address background apps. Type background apps. Type background apps into the Windows search bar and open the background app settings. Make sure the option Let apps run in the background is turned off. Now, let's check the task manager. You can either press cursor and the Shift Escape or use the Windows search to locate the task manager. Close any unnecessary apps or processes you find there. Once you've completed these steps, try opening Roblox again. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.